Today, we're breaking down a fascinating trend that's generating some serious income online. We're talking about a new wave of creators earning five-figure monthly paychecks pretty much anonymously, and it's all being powered by AI. So let's get into it. All right, let's just start with the number that's grabbing everyone's attention, $20,000 a month. And, this isn't just some one-off lucky break. This is a repeatable, consistent income stream that is totally changing the game. But here's the real kicker, the part that's kind of hard to believe. This money is being made completely anonymously. We're not talking about big-name influencers here. A lot of these top earners are total beginners who have never, ever shown their face on camera. So that leads to the big question, right? How in the world is this possible? What's the secret engine that lets someone with basically no audience and zero on-camera presence build something so profitable so fast? Well, we're about to show you. The whole thing comes down to this one concept, the AI faceless channel. Our source material points to this as one of the top passive income streams last year, and it's easy to see why. It's a model where AI does almost all of the heavy lifting for you. It writes the script, it creates the voice, and it can even generate the visuals. Okay, so is this just some cool theory? Nope, not at all. Let's dig into the proof. We're going to look at some real-world results from actual creators, all based on verified analytics and reports. First up, let's look at a channel in the AI investing niche. Now, this is a super competitive area. It's a topic that usually requires a ton of expertise and authority, which is a massive barrier for anyone new. And wow, the results really do speak for themselves. According to the platform analytics they shared, this one channel pulled in $180,000 in 2025. That's just from ads and affiliate marketing, in a niche that is notoriously tough to crack. All right, next, let's check out a totally different playbook. This creator used short-form videos, think TikToks and Shorts, to create what's called a content funnel. Basically, they drive traffic from those videos to their own products. So by using AI to just crank out tons of these little videos at scale, they built this incredibly reliable funnel. And the result? A recurring income of $12,000 every single month, mostly from selling their own online courses. That's consistency right there. And for our last one, let's look at a brand new channel that just exploded right out of the gate. This one is all about the power of using AI to craft that perfect viral hook, the thing that grabs you in the first 3 seconds. Would you look at that? $8,500 in just the first 60 days. This just goes to show how AI can put growth on hyperspeed by totally mastering the most important part of any video, that initial hook. Okay, so we've seen the proof. The numbers are real. But the crucial question is why? Why is this model scaling so well right now in 2026? What's really going on under the hood? Well, according to our source, it really boils down to 3 main things. First, no camera time. That right there removes a huge mental block for so many people. Second, AI automates all the boring, tedious work. And third, because it's automated, you can post consistently, which is exactly what the algorithms love to see. And this chart just visualizes that advantage perfectly. Just look at the difference in effort. With AI helping out, you're slashing the production workload by up to 80%. That lets creators focus on the big ideas, the strategy, instead of getting bogged down in editing. So now that we've seen the proof and we understand why it's booming, let's get into the good stuff, the actionable plan. This is the exact blueprint laid out in the source material for anyone who wants to get started. So you've seen what's possible. The potential is massive. The question is, are you ready to see the actual playbook? Because honestly, the barrier to entry for this kind of thing has never, ever been lower. And here it is. It's a really straightforward 4-step process. Step 1, ideate. You pick a niche and you get AI to brainstorm a ton of video ideas. Step 2, create. You let AI write the scripts and generate the voiceover. 3, visualize. You use AI tools to create all your images and video clips. And finally, step 4, monetize, using the usual stuff like ads and affiliate links. And here are the actual tools they recommend for beginners. It's like a starter pack. You've got things like Grok for coming up with ideas, Descript for audio and voiceovers, and of course, Midjourney for stunning visuals. It's a complete and pretty accessible tech stack to get you up and running. So, what does all of this mean for the future? For online content, for what it means to be a creator? Where is all of this heading? I think this quote from our source material really nails it. The key takeaway here is that this model, it's been tested, the results are in, and people are making it work today. This isn't some sci-fi concept anymore. It is happening right now.
Which leaves us with a really fascinating, kind of provocative final question. When an AI is handling the script, the voice, and the visuals, who's the artist? As this tech keeps getting better, our very definition of what a creator is changing right before our eyes. It's a massive shift. So, what do you think comes next?